Your first 10 videos matter more than your first 100 because they train the algorithm who to show your channel to, and they train viewers what to expect from you. Most faceless channels fail before they even get a chance. Not because the content is bad, but because their signal and direction is confused. Random topics, at random times, random styles, random promises. The algorithm doesn't know who your channel is for, and viewers don't either. The first 10 videos should all do one thing: make the same person feel like this channel was built for them, not 10 different ideas. Just focused on one audience. When those first 10 videos all point in the same direction, YouTube starts testing you with the right viewers, and that is the moment when growth starts. In the next video, I'll show you the one metric that actually decides whether a faceless video lives or dies. Watch the next video here to continue this, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest.